Got Meizu M6 and let me show you how to enable easy mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select the display and brightness, and now scroll down a bit where you will find easy mode. Simply open it, click on easy mode, and here you can see how it will look like. So easy mode employs a simpler home screen layout with larger fonts and icons to make the phone easier to use. So simply click on enable if you want to enable it. Wait a short while, and as you can see, here is your easy mode. The icons are way larger. Then if you would like to go back to the default one, simply open the settings, click on easy mode over here, and then select exit. Confirm that you would like to quit it. And as you can see, now we are back in default settings. So that's it. This is how you can enable easy mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.